They were loading topsoil. I'm going to show you how to load a truck properly from behind. Today I've got an excellent driver. He knows exactly what he's doing. Been driving for 30 years, so he should be backing up to me perfectly. And material's not too heavy, so tracks are sideways. And yeah. So I'm just going to put it gently down in the box first run. Almost scraping the bottom of the box actually with the cutting edge. And yeah, nice and light first run. He's got to do paperwork, so you don't want to be shaking him too much. And the material is not too heavy, so not too worried about the tracks being the cogs being behind me. Nice and gentle in the box, nothing shaked. This bucket's not ideal for loading trucks, as it's almost as wide as the box, and the play in the gear, the turret gear is a little bit loose, so I do have to be careful. So I'm going a little slower than normal. When I have the tooth bucket on, it's a lot easier, obviously. You have a lot more room to play with. We're not in any rush here. He's still gonna make the same amount of runs in a day. Nice and gentle. Now, I could be heaping the bucket more, but there's no real reason to it, as we're not in a rush, like I said. This is a 1.9 yard bucket, so I could put quite a bit more in, but there's no real need for it, so. Easy does it. No broken boards, and the driver's happy. Now with this bucket you do get a little bit of spilling off the edges just because how wide it is, but that's just part of the game. Some people will probably say I didn't do it right, but the driver ain't complaining and my boss ain't complaining, so that's the way she goes. Got nice fluffy material here. It's not too bad considering it's winter time here. Lots of sand in this and lots of peat. So it's a good mix, not too sticky. Bucket. That's it. Little shake. See you later. I probably could have smoothed that out a bit, but it was well below the board, so not too worried. Thanks for watching.